video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Tuesday. And boy, do we have a lot of news for you, including Eric Trump saying that maybe $1 million Bitcoin is inevitable. We do have more buys. We have Michael Saylor talking to Dave Portnoy, who fumbled his crypto bag. And if you guys are ready for that zest, the news, the education, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. We're going to get after it. And I want to say good morning to you. Please make sure you say good morning to me as you check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, which includes Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then head over to Gemini. We're going to go where dollars won't. Trade $100 in crypto, get $15 in Bitcoin. And if you guys are still having trouble with that Gemini link, can you please let me know in the chat and go send screenshots to Discord so I have that as a receipt. Guys, please, let's get after it. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. We also have a subscriber goal today, as always. We are looking for 17,720 subscribers, 13 more, pimp. Also, shout out to 2 awesome folk in the chat, Alexandra G, my G, and Mike Vollmer, for gifting 5 memberships each in hopes of helping Emma. Emma's birthday is on Saturday, and I know Emma would like her emojis before then. So please make sure you guys are smashing that likes and helping Emma with her membershipery. We have Brian, Mike Vollmer. We have Balaki in the chat this morning. We got VV Zombie. Good morning. Lasers. Rob C is here. We have Nicole. Good morning, Nicole. We were missing you. Don Juan is here too. True. What's up? We have Black Hat. Good morning. David Bulls. Bradley McKay. Good morning. We have Aquarian Done Napping. Good morning to you. We have Bitnuendo. Welcome. Welcome. Poe Man is here. We have James. Good morning. We have John Germain, Bobby F, Double O. Good morning, everyone. Crimson's over there on X with Alex Collingborn. Good morning. Moneybags is here. Chase Blanchard, Chris Hanley is here. We have Hero. Good morning. Glenn, what's up? We have oh boy, I lost my spot. Yukio is here on X with Kev Bounce too. Hello, all my X friends. Wow, we have so many beautiful people on X. Chipper, good morning. We have Glenn, Tommy, 2 liters. Financial Failure, good morning. Anthony Paldino, nice to see you. Sarasota, my friend. There's a friend from Sarasota. Well, hello, my friend. We have Inspector in the X chat. We got Ransel from the Digibyte fam. Good morning. Let's see. We have who else in the chat? Cody. Hello, Cody Smith. Welcome to the show. Oh, my emoji friend. He said, good morning, future generational wealth builder. That makes me so freaking happy. Golf says my poll isn't working. I don't know. Apparently, there's a lot of problems on YouTube this morning. I guess, is anybody else able to vote on this poll? What be going on over there? What's going on? Andy S. James. We got, let's see who else. Gary Littlemore is chilling. Moby, good morning. Sui. We got, who else in the chat? Patrick Murphy. Free, hello. He said, what's going on from Orlando? Well, hello. We have so many Floridians in the chat this morning. We love that. We love all of our Floridians. Right, Rez? Right, Rez? Good morning. My poll isn't working. So it's not working. Okay, well, let's try again. Oh, look. See, look, it does have, it says 0, but then when I entered it, it said there were a lot of votes there. All right, we're going to try this again. Hi, Animal. Hi, Champlu. All right, I'm going to rewrite this really quick. $1 million Bitcoin. Let's do this as a yes, nah, Emma. Those are the options. I'm not rewriting all that right now. We got to get into the news. Right, Panda? Good morning. All right, well, let's try this again. I heard YouTube is having mad problems today. Who else do we have over here? 4J from Destin. Nice to see you. Oh, my gosh. So many Floridians. Wow. Good morning, everybody. We got Rex over here with breaking news. Let's see. I think we have Nate the Great over here. Darren, nice to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Brandon with the heart. Hello. Fish is here too. Hello. Oh, who else do we have? Oh, Fish is from Panama City. Nice. We have Craig from Phoenix. Louis. Oh, gosh. Okay. Hello, Tom. All right, guys. Let's get after it. Yeah, now the poll is working. Now the poll is working. That's beautiful. Right, Casper? All right, let's get after it. We have a lot to talk about. Please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends. We have the market recap. Guys, we have Pepe soaring. People are losing their noodles over Pepe. If you guys want to go over that chartery, we could do that at the end of the show, right, Crypto Mike and Joe Harvey? Let's keep going. We have 98K Bitcoin this morning. This is where the selling pressure is. 98K, 98.2. We obviously want to head towards our all-time high of $104,000 Bitcoin. Hopefully, we could hold 98K. Your bearish scenario right now is 91. This is our current range where we're kind of bouncing between that 98, 91K. Ideally, again, you want to hold 91K overall, stay above 90K Bitcoin. Your bearish scenario, overall bearish scenario, I would look at 76K Bitcoin. And even farther is where we first visited 70K for the first time, around $73,750 back in mid-March. We were ranging ever since then. We took a dip down to 52, past our 70K mark. Again, eventually around the time that Donnie T secured the bag to be our next president and return as president of the United States. And we're going to keep watching this. We want to hold $90,000 Bitcoin. People are upset. They're like, why? Why is Bitcoin not at $1 million right now? Keep calm, hodl on, my friends. We're up 120% in the past year. Don't get greedy. That's when things get messy. We are up 0.37% today as we have a red dot pulling down this momentum. VWAP is bearish, and we have the money flow that is kind of chilling, pulling back ever so slightly, but still doing well. We do have the RSI that is mid-bull, looking towards that maybe, hopefully, overbought. I think it's pretty good where we're at. We pulled back from that overbought. We've ranged a little bit. We're continuing to pull back on the RSI. I think this is very, very healthy. So that way we have more room to run to the upside. And hopefully, with this being mid-bull, 97.6 Bitcoin, we could hopefully look at passing our high of $104,000 Bitcoin. We do have Ethereum this morning, and like I said, I have a ton of Bitcoin news. I would go into like Bitcoin news right now as we look at the price, but there's way too much of it. So we're going to go through Ethereum, Litecoin, and then head over into all the crazy Bitcoin news that we have going on this morning. $3,684 ETH, down 0.77%. Listen, we keep having wick lows around this 3570. Let's hold support here, my friends. Let's hold support. If we hold support here, I view this as a positive thing. So that way we can head back towards our golden zone. Can you guys see that? I'm pretty sure you could. Yes. 3960. That is your golden zone. And that could hopefully, if we create some support at that level, which we have not yet, move on up to our all-time high for Ethereum, which is around $4,800. Just below that 5,000 mark. Such a tease last bull market. We were like, oh my gosh, are we going to see $5,000 Ethereum? And Ethereum was like, no, God! It's okay, though. It's going to be all right. We'll get there eventually, hopefully. Bearish level to watch on Ethereum right here is at $3,070. And the 200-day SMA is at $3,000. Boy, oh boy, we're going to have to watch out for that. If we fall below $3,000, people are going to lose their actual minds. And if you look at what happened yesterday, we had major liquidations in the market, as we do have the red dot pulling down this momentum for Ethereum. We do have the money flow that's still doing great, pulling back ever so slightly. The VWAP is actually bearish right now. Again, I view this as a good thing. We were doing really well with Ethereum, up 54% in the past 3 months, up 56% in the past year. We needed a little bit of a pullback for Ethereum. She doesn't have the biggest moves all the time, but she does kind of diverge herself from Bitcoin. We are down 1.28% for Ethereum right now. As the RSI has pulled back from that overbought, I view this as a good thing. We could pull back, so that way we have more room to go back up. Looking at Litecoin at $110, we're worried because we do not want to tap $97. We also have that mid-bearish scenario right now of $104. If we fall below $100 Litecoin, my heart will be sad, And it's going to be a psychological level that people are going to be very upset about as well. Bullish scenario is 112. Even more bullish is at 142. We had a strong pullback yesterday with Litecoin, where Litecoin has had some nice moves. It's had a really nice move to the upside, breaking through $100, trying to tap that 140 and pulling back. This could be a good thing. Maybe we create a support at $104. Maybe we create support at $100, and we never see below $100 Litecoin again. That's ideal. We're up 0.18% at the moment, with a view up having a strong pullback momentum as well after that red dot. Money flow is still remaining quite high. The RSI, on the other hand, ooh, this is dramatic. This was a dramatic pullback for the RSI. We were overbought and then almost went neutral. We're going to hope this remains bullish and moves on up to the upside. A lot of room to run to the upside if you're looking at the RSI right now. We saw the most liquidation since 2021 as a crazy reset wiped $1.6 billion from the market. And I believe $800 million of that was within an hour. And I believe that was the highest level of liquidations in an hour that we've ever seen. Looking over here, we do have 50% of these liquidations were from a large downside wick from December 5th, one that created a market inefficiency that had a 96% chance of being filled. This is the largest liquidation since 2021. We observed something crazy. Coinbase traders began selling aggressively almost an hour before the mega dump. And this is right here, a little quote. Of course, the biggest drop was triggered by a liquidation cascade, but this constant selling pressure was crucial in pushing the price into a region where over-leveraged positions were forced to close. Data from monitoring resource CoinGlass calculates cross-crypto liquidations at $1.6 billion for the 24 hours to the time of writing on December 10th. Whoa. These were mostly longs, my friends. These were mostly longs. And a lot of people, again, are using leverage. This is a dicey time to use leverage, especially trading in general is dicey when we're in price discovery. This is price discovery mode. We don't have really much bullish case to go by other than the wick high of 104K. We have the selling pressure we've been watching at 98K. And if people were betting on staying above $100,000 for a long period of time, I think that was pretty dicey. But who am I? I'm just someone that's been here for a long time. Let's take a look at people that are buying Bitcoin. And of course, it's going to be the Bitcoin miners. And the Bitcoin miners, if they're buying Bitcoin, they're not going to want to sell. And it tells you a lot, because if they're the ones mining it and they want to keep buying it, that means they might not sell their fresh Bitcoin. Riot Platforms announced a proposed private offering of $500 million of convertible senior notes. And most of that is going to be to acquire Bitcoin and other general corporate purposes. If we take a look at Riot stock today, we're looking at $11 Riot, up 0.94%. We are looking at that bullish scenario of over here around $13.99. Your bearish scenario right now is around $7.83. I know I have to add my levels on there. I completely forgot about it, but we're going to be doing it. Riot, so Riot's going to do $500 million, and that's one Bitcoin mining company that's public. But don't forget about Marathon, my friends, because Marathon is also continuing to buy like crazy. Marathon tweeted this morning, right before we went live, using the proceeds from its zero coupon convertible notes offerings, Mara has acquired 11,774 Bitcoin for $1.1 billion at 96K per Bitcoin. And we could see that they hold a total now of 40,435 Bitcoin, currently valued at $3.9 billion based on the spot Bitcoin price of $96,500. This is the Sailor way. People are continuing to buy. This is insane because you have to keep note. If miners are not going to sell, there's going to be a major supply shock. They know something we don't. They're the ones that are involved in all of this. I need Bitcoin miner emojis, as Michael Cartwright just ran 10 memberships in the chat. Poor Emma. Emma needs her emojis back. She's getting rugged. I need to see Bitcoin miner emojis in the chat, pretty please. Thank you, Michael. Appreciate you. Looking at Marathon stock, 24 bucks, up 2%. We're looking at that bullish scenario of 26 bucks. 26.77. Your bear scenario is falling below that 200-day SMA over here at 19.40 and looking at $18.24. There is a slight pullback with that momentum. VWAP is bearish and the money flow is pulling back as well. But watch out for Marathon. All of these miners are going to keep buying. They're going to keep buying because Michael Saylor has inspired a lot of them. Michael Saylor was also on Dave Portnoy's podcast yesterday, the Davey Day Trader Global, and Dave Portnoy kind of messed up a little bit. He kind of sold the bottom, or he thought he bought the bottom, but he didn't. And it just overall wasn't done right. And I wish I was able to help this man, but I could not get in touch with sir. Looking over at Michael Saylor, there was a little clip of them yesterday that I think you guys should watch. And if you guys are on TikTok, please go to youtube.com/missteencrypto because you won't be able to hear this. Saylor tweeted this clip of them saying, Satoshi gave us a game we can all win.
Michael showed up about 20 minutes ago, and I want to wait. Look at the setup we got here. I want what we talked about because we have the video of the Winklevosses telling me Elon Musk is going to outer space and raining gold down. Confused me. I sold it. You just buy 400-something thousand Bitcoins with your company and you. So I want to know what I got wrong about Bitcoin, or explain it so I understand it finally.
Yeah, I think let's talk about it in sports metaphors. It's like, first of all, there's some games that you can't play, you got to watch. And if you're just watching the game and the team wins, that means your season tickets are going to get more expensive next year. But there are other games you can play. You go into a casino and you play the game, but you know the game's rigged against you. There are some games where the house wins, you're not winning. And Satoshi created a game that's rigged in favor of the individual.
Is he a real person?
Satoshi is a real person.
Do you know who he is?
Gone but not forgotten.
Do you know who that person is?
We're all Satoshi. We're all Satoshi nowadays.
What a mood.
Right? The most important thing to know is that, like Prometheus gave us fire to warm you up, Satoshi gave us a game we can all win, right? And Bitcoin is that game. It's, you know, there are certain things where, like, you don't want to be on a network where they can censor what you say and they can freeze your account. Bitcoin is a monetary network where it won't censor where you send your money. It won't freeze your account. And it's engineered in such a way that on the margin, you're winning the game over time. So think of it like, wouldn't it be great if you had a basketball team, you had LeBron James, you had Michael Jordan, and you had the digital version of them, and they played forever, and you could get on the court and play with them. And they're scoring 100 points and you're scoring 2 points, but you're all getting rich together and you're all winning together. That's what Bitcoin is like. It's like everybody gets to play. Everywhere in the world I go, there's like a fan club. There's hundreds of millions of people that are on Team Bitcoin. You should join Team Bitcoin. The 100 million fans would be rooting for you. And the great thing about it is you don't just win the game, you get wealthy while you're winning the game.
Wow. Yeah. He's promising for all of us to get rich. And he was like, what I find really funny, like there's like this little remix out there where he's like, oh, if you store your, hold on, there was a good one. If you store your wealth in Bitcoin, they call you poor or something like that. It was a really good clip. It was actually really funny. I'm going to see if I can find that. But there's also another really good clip from that podcast, kind of a philosophical view of Bitcoin. And I want you guys to hear this one too.
Michael showed up about 20 minutes ago, and I want to...
Wait, is this the right one? Hold on. I think this was it.
Game, and the team wins.
No, this wasn't it. Oh, boy. I got it wrong. There was another one where they were talking about... if it was good for humanity and stuff like that. I thought this was the clip. Maybe I messed up on that one. It's okay. But they were talking about how this could save humanity. Everyone could take part in it. Something beautiful. And I love that too. It goes to show how big the space is going to be, especially where you have a lot of different nations, including the United States, that are extremely bullish on this movement. And there's even the fact that a former CFTC chairman was saying that Bitcoin is digital gold and it is an idea whose time has come. There was also another individual that was jumping on this wave too with the U.S. Treasury. They were naming Bitcoin digital gold after the price explosion. Dennis Porter said, "We are going much higher," in quotes with this article. Quote, "The U.S. Treasury just declared that Bitcoin is digital gold, and yet some people still think 100K Bitcoin is too expensive." This is a quote from Dennis Porter. He said, "We are going much higher," referring to Bitcoin price. We love that. Take a look at the former CFTC chairman on Fox News.
This is investors anticipate Donald Trump will usher in a new era of crypto.
BTC is like having MJ and LeBron on your team and you can play too. XRP is like having Shaq, Kobe and Kareem on your team and you can play too. I wanna ride the monster.
No, pump it up. You got to pump it up. No, pump it up. You got to pump it up. No, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Diglets, you're crazy, man. You're crazy. You want to ride the monster. You're great, man. You're absolutely great. I appreciate 3 Diggies so much. That actually really scared me. I was like so focused. I was like, well, let's watch the clip. And then I hear, shoo! Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Diggies. Let's get after it. We're going to look at XRP price when we do some charting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. 3 Diggies is the man. Guys, please make sure you guys show some love in the chat. Show some love in the chat. Let's put some heart emojis. Actually, no. We're going to do rocket emojis because he's bullish. He's bullish on his XRP. He's bullish on Bitcoin. Put rocket emojis in the chat if you're bullish. Also, this clip is pretty bullish too. Jay said, "I'm bearish AF. I know it's blasphemy." Using my words, blasphemy. You're so funny, dude.
Recently climbing more than $100,000 per. This is investors anticipate Donald Trump will usher in a new era of crypto-friendly policies and legislation during his first 100 days. What's that mean to you? Chris Giancarlo is the former chairman of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission under Donald Trump. Good morning to you. Thanks for coming in here. Here's a Treasury document calls Bitcoin digital gold. We've heard that before, okay? That's one element. Next one, Elon Musk praising El Salvador's impresso crypto reserve. All right, so that's an interesting relationship. Why is this happening now? What does the incoming administration see as favorable for Bitcoin?
You know, there's a number of reasons why this is happening. One is because the technology has come about. We finally reached the stage of the internet where we can go beyond storing information on the internet to actually storing things of value. Things of value like wealth, things of value like ownership of a home. This is what they call the new wave of the internet, an internet of value, and the technology's there. In fact, when you think about Bitcoin or Ethereum or these others, what they really are is protocols that allow us to store value on the internet, as opposed to the way we've been doing it in human society for only the last 400 years, storing value in basically an IOU from a financial institution. And as we've learned in the last 40 years, during which the internet has never gone down, banks have failed, including 3 banks of America's top 20 just in the last 3 years. So moving.
This is a great spot because we always talk about breaking generational wheels. And this is part of breaking the generational wheel, is being able to be your own bank, not having other people be in control of you, of your value. The fact that Bitcoin has a finite supply of 21 million, the halving every 4 years or every 210,000 blocks that cuts the reward that miners get in half. This is generational wheels being broken. I love it. I absolutely love it. That was a great little clip right there. We're gonna keep watching it. Again, people on TikTok, please go to YouTube.
Value storage on the internet is an idea.
Oh shoot! Sorry. There you go.
Value storage on the internet is an idea whose time has come.
Okay, you got that?
Kind of. I'm going to ask you this. So on call for number 4, this is the number of crypto millionaires that's been surging. Okay, so I think one of the things that happens, and you had a good question to him initially, which is, what does it mean for you? Because when most people are thinking about themselves, like, well, I don't understand this stuff, so I don't know how to invest in it. One thing you said is crypto is the umbrella, right? Is that right?
That's right.
And then Bitcoin is one type of crypto.
That's right.
This is also the thing. That was a great thing too. No one knows what this is. No one knows what this is yet. Not nobody, but I would say over 80% of the world doesn't know what Bitcoin is. They might have heard of it, but they don't know what it is, how it works, what it does, how to use it. This is where the education comes in. This is why what we do is so important. Everyone in this channel, everyone on this chat, even little Geo over there. I see you, Geo. 21 million Bitcoin, but only one of me. Oh Lordy. But this is what's very important, is the education. So it's what we do on this show. We're talking about what's going on in the space. How do we handle it? Where do we go from here? The geos, the crypto faces of the world, talking TA, what's going on with price. Like, that's very important too. And this is what's going to bring crypto mainstream, is all of the education that we're putting out here. And speaking of education, when I went on Newsmax, they always ask me, how does this actually work? And this is the education we need. How does it work? Why do we use it? What's the purpose? We love education on this channel. We're bullish on education. And if you must know, friends, I may be on Newsmax today. Well, I am going to be on Newsmax. But what time? I want 12 more likes, and I'll tell you. We're going to go ahead and tell you what time I'll be on Newsmax today. We're going to go back on TVs today, my friends. 12 more likes. Pamp it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
This is a great clip.
And there are lots of different types of crypto.
Exactly.
So what's a good crypto and what's a bad crypto? How do you know?
Right. So just as there's multiple protocols for storing information, there's HTML, HTTP. They all do different things. Some are good for website establishment. Some are good for email. In a similar way, different cryptos allow you to store different values. Bitcoin, which is the most widely known and has had the most spectacular success, might be the equivalent, as you said, Bill, to digital gold. In the previous world, the analog world, what cash was to gold, in the digital world, digital money may be to Bitcoin. Let me give you another example. We live in a time where 1 out of every $4 has been printed in the last 5 years. We are actively debasing our currency. And at the same time, Bitcoin has, into its design, programmed scarcity. You can never have more than a certain amount of Bitcoin. And so the dollar is depreciating, Bitcoin is appreciating. Quick factoid. In 2018, the average American home would have cost you over $260,000 and over 400 Bitcoin. Today, the average American home is now over $460,000. It would cost you less than 5 Bitcoin. What's been the better investment over the last 5 years? Bitcoin or dollars?
I mentioned the tweet from Elon Musk.
Bitcoin or dollars? Bitcoin or dollars? Bitcoin. Everyone write in the chat. Bitcoin or dollars? One or yes emoji for Bitcoin. 2 or no emoji for dollars. What do you think? Bitcoin or dollars? You make your decision. You make your decision. Where's the purchasing power reserved? Where is it maintained? Where you have the dollar, where 40 to 50% of our money supply was printed between 2020 and 2021. You go and look at when my dad was a kid, going to McDonald's for a 10-cent burger or something like that. He'll write in the chat, how much was a burger? How much was a burger at McDonald's? And it was a real burger at that time. So what do we know? What do we know? That we need something with a finite supply, something that can't be inflated and controlled by a centralized entity that we didn't even vote for. And not even a federal entity at that. What was it? 25-cent cheeseburger? Was that it? Now you're lucky if you could get anything on the dollar menu. Nasty. Geo with trolling. Hello, Uncle Jimmy. Give me a golly in the chat for Bitcoin. See, all of y'all were talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the wave. I need Bitcoin emojis all over this chat right now. 28-cent burger, imagine. Oh my gosh, I can't even imagine paying for anything under $1. I can't imagine doing anything with $1 now. People my age don't carry dollars. Emma doesn't even carry a debit card. She does tap and pay. Because why? There's no reason to carry pennies, nickels, and dimes. They're not worth anything. Thank you, Uncle Jimmy, for the golly. They're not even worth anything. ripping and shipping. Thank you for the heart. They're not even worth anything. To carry around pennies, nickels, and dimes is a complete waste of time. In New York, you can't even... There's only a few meters left that you could pay with quarters. Thank you for subscribing, my friend. And down here in the Sunshine State, I go and park on the street. Oh, are there meters there? No, not at all. You have to download an app, enter the number of the meter or the parking space, and you pay with your credit or debit card. There's no such thing as penny, nickels, and dime transactions anymore. I haven't seen that in years. In years. At least I haven't done it since I was a child.
The reason he did that is because the government El Salvador, tiny little Central American country, they embrace crypto.
Yes.
I think it was 2 years ago, I believe now. So they've got 24 months of a track record. Has it worked for them?
Well, I don't know exactly the price, but 2 years ago, Bitcoin would have been less than $30,000 a Bitcoin. Today, it's over $100,000. So they've seen threefold increase of their value of their reserves in El Salvador.
So
it looks like
at
a pretty
this
good
point,
investment.
it looks like it's a pretty good deal for them.
Pretty good deal for them.
There's a lot. Can I get your number? Okay, I have 20,000 questions. We don't have enough time. And I am interested because I also feel like on the technology side of it, setting aside the money and getting rich and all that, but on the technology side, like if my uncle gets a new car and he's waiting for the title, the technology could make that fast.
Yes.
Instantaneous.
Right, that's
and
the point.
accessible by any time, anywhere with a computer.
No, okay,
It takes out the middlemen.
thank you. Thank you for being here.
Nice
My
to
pleasure.
see you.
I'm getting your number.
Hello? That was one of the best hits I've ever seen in my life. That was one of the best hits I've ever seen in my life. Titles for your vehicle, real estate deeds, certificates like a high school diploma, a college diploma, a marriage certificate when all you nerds get rich and have girlfriends and marry them girlfriends and make them wifeys. We're going to have NFT certificates. You go over to the DMVs in California that are using blockchain as well. It's inevitable, especially because you can verify, okay, the car dealer issued this title to this person at this date and this time, and it's an immutable piece of technology. Nobody can change it. Nobody can change it. I love this. I love this. Word. That was one of the best hits I've ever seen in my life. That was the best thing I've ever seen in my life. Absolutely amazing. And the United States should be leading this revolution, and instead, because of this administration that we currently have full of
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists.
They've been holding us back. They've been holding us back. Not the new administration, and I hope it's true what they're saying. Eric T., Donnie T's son, was at the Bitcoin conference in Abu Dhabi, I believe is where it's at right now. And he said that crypto and blockchain are going to outpace the outdated banking systems because, again, the banks are old. This is old news. We are done. We are waiting to break this generational wheel. We're already breaking the generational wheel, but it would be great if we could have the backing of our administration. It should be a pro-crypto administration, no matter left, right, the middle, up in the stars. It doesn't matter to me. What matters is innovation. What matters is fulfilling America and its fundamentals of life, liberty, property, pursuit of happiness. In an interview with CNBC's Dan Murphy in Abu Dhabi, ahead of his keynote speech, we have Eric T. saying that blockchain tech can perform all the functions of modern banking systems, but better. Note that they have World Liberty Financial, which they say is going to shake up the entire banking system as well. He said if you live in America, you want to go out and get a home loan, it takes you 90 days. How the hell does it take you 90 days to get a home loan? And by then, by the way, the house is already sold and your dream is gone. He said there's nothing on blockchain that can't be done better, faster, substantially cheaper, and not pushing paper. He did say something interesting that he expects there's going to be a transparent and sensible regulation for the industry that's going to benefit the country. He says, we will have a clear roadmap and hopefully the rest of the world follows that. Of course the rest of the world is going to follow because we have a lot of other news from other countries today about strategic Bitcoin reserves. Before we get to that, this is a clip of his keynote speech, Eric T.
I can tell you a lot of eyes were opened when Bitcoin hit 100,000. And I can tell you a hell of a lot more eyes are going to be opened when Bitcoin hits 1 million. And I'm confident it's going to hit 1 million. I think we're all confident in this room that it's going to hit 1 million. I can tell you a lot of eyes were opened when Bitcoin hit 100,000. And I can tell you a hell of a lot more eyes are going to be opened when Bitcoin hits 1 million. And I'm confident it's going to hit 1 million. I think we're
He is confident Bitcoin is going to hit $1 million. I think it's programmed. What do you guys think? Enter the poll. We have a poll. Also, before I get into the next thing, we do have over 100 likes, and I would like to see 125 soon. We have 13 more likes until we do that. Smash the like, my friends. But I did promise once we hit 100 likes, I would tell you the fact that I will be on Newsmax today at 3:45 p.m. Eastern. 3:45 p.m. Eastern. We're going to be talking Bitcoin, crypto, and all the love in the world. So please make sure you guys are there. Tune into Newsmax, 3:45 p.m. Eastern. I'm very excited. It's going to be great, and we're going to have an awesome time as usual. And I would love to talk about this right now. That Elon Musk is saying that the IRS relies on old computers and can't pass basic audits, which is true. And we keep talking about how the Pentagon fails audit after audit after audit. Yet if you are on Venmo or PayPal or making a payment to literally go buy yourself some toilet paper, the IRS is going to know about it. But they're all blind to the government in their spending. He said the government computers and software are in such bad shape that they often can't verify that payments are not fraud, waste, or abuse. That's why the government can't pass basic audits. They often literally don't know where your tax dollars went. It's insane. My preferred title in the new admin is volunteer IT consultant. They need to fix the IT infrastructure in order to make the government work. This is a grind and hardly glorious, but we can't make government efficient and fix the deficit if the computers don't work. Boomer tech. Boomer tech. It's embarrassing. Even Mr. Yee in the chat, I don't know if he's here today, but he was also talking about how awful the banking system is and how old the computers are. This is a huge problem. Boomer technology. Computers from the literal 90s or before that are being used for our banking system. And you're telling me that Bitcoin isn't the future and that blockchain isn't the future? Again, this is why they did not like RFK, because RFK said government spending should be on blockchain. And I believe that they do this on purpose. They use all this old boomer tech because they get away with so much. They get away with everything. We don't know where our tax dollars go. And even more than that, we give all these billions of dollars to other countries. Where does it even go? Where does it go? Nasty. Shout out to Piano Matty B. Speaking of him, let's do a little bit of a likery.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Is the show called American Agenda? Yes. So I'm going to be on the American Agenda at 3:45 p.m. Eastern today. 3:45 p.m. Eastern, the American Agenda. It's going to be a good show. Shout out to Newsmax. We love Newsmax. Newsmax is the future. I think Newsmax is going to be number one day. Saying it. Say no to boomer tech. Yeah, boomer tech. It's embarrassing that our country has such old technology, and Elon's like calling them out and embarrassing them. Speaking of our country, we're going to lead the way for other countries in terms of a Bitcoin strategic reserve, where under the Bitcoin Act led by Senator Cynthia Lummis, our government is going to accumulate 1 million Bitcoin out of the 21 million over the course of 5 years. So that's around 200K Bitcoin a year. I believe this is conservative. She agrees with that. Now we're getting news after news after news, including Russia State Duma Deputy Anton proposed a creation of a Bitcoin strategic reserve in Russia. Russia. They're going to be able to pamp it over there. Even Putin. We were watching a clip of Putin where Putin's like, hey, you know what the facts are? No one can stop Bitcoin. And people come after Putin all the time. But you know what? You got to admit when the man is right. And he's right about Bitcoin. No one can stop it. Oh, like freaking, I can't even bring it up without getting mad. Liz Warren having Jamie Dimon in front of her. Jamie, what do you think about Bitcoin? If I was the government, I'd shut it down. And then Putin comes out and was like, nah, you can't stop it, man. Like, this is embarrassing for the United States. But not with this new admin. Vancouver also stepping up because the Vancouver mayor is proposing a Bitcoin reserve as well and a Bitcoin adoption to fight the inflation going on there. Vancouver, Canada, Mayor Ken Sim is urging the city council to explore the integration of Bitcoin into municipal financial strategies, emphasizing the potential to bolster financial stability amid the volatile fiat markets. And in a little meeting that they had, they said, or for a council meeting tomorrow, they actually said that he prepared to introduce a motion titled Preserving of the City's Purchasing Power Through Diversification of Financial Reserves, Becoming a Bitcoin-Friendly City. He argued that Bitcoin has built a solid reputation over the 16-year history and could serve as a safeguard against inflation and currency devaluation. He also accepted crypto donations during his campaign in 2022, signaling his openness to leveraging digital assets for public benefit. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So in order to make Vancouver a Bitcoin-friendly city, he did suggest new strategies that include but are not limited to accepting taxes and fees in Bitcoin. He said that owning Bitcoin would preserve Vancouver's purchasing power and guard against the volatility, debasement, and inflationary pressures of trad currencies. He also said that including Bitcoin in their financial reserves and payment options would ultimately benefit taxpayers, quote, by preserving the value and purchasing power of precious tax dollars. At least this man cares about tax dollars. Unlike our government, where, again, Elon, going back to him, he said, you don't even know where your tax dollars go. You don't even know where your tax dollars go. Not surprising. Not surprising. So go Vancouver. Go Vancouver. Not surprised. And if you guys have chart requests, hand them over, right, Crypto Gambino? Thank you, 4J, for the bracelet. Appreciate you. All right. We do have some news on Hawk Tuah. Haley Welch, also known as Hawk Tuah Girl, she went AWOL. She went goodbye. See ya. The token lost more than 95% of its value, and one wallet made over $360,000 on its debut. Not surprising, Lil Hawk Tuah went bye-bye. And so, what do you guys feel about Hawk Tuah? This was an absolute mess. I'm going to see if I could pull up her Twitter. Haley Welch. Where did her Twitter go? Did she get deleted or something? There we go. Yep. There she is. Gone, gone, gone. 6 days ago was the last time she tweeted. The last time she tweeted. So did she use us this entire time? Did she use the crypto community for clout and fame and to obviously rug a token? That was sad. That was sad. Hawk Tuah went bye-bye. Later, Hawk Tuah. That was lame. Also, guys, 4 more subscribers until we hit our goal for today. Please make sure you're liking, subscribing, and sharing. Let's get those subscribers going, friends. We really want to pamp it. We really want to pamp to 20,000 subscribers. I know we're a bit away, but I believe we can do it. East West, nice to see you. We have, our Piper Academy rating in. Did they rate in yet? I believe they did. Someone confirm. Did my Pipers rate in? Did they raid? Shout out to the Piper Academy, my Army Piper, my OC, my Trade Fly. We have BC. We have everyone in the chat. Hello, my friends. Hello. All right. ICP, we could do some ICP, but first we gotta do XRP for our beautiful 3 Diggies, because 3 Diggies is amazing, and we fan of 3 Diggies. Shout out to my friends that are subscribing to the channel right now. Lars Larson, I believe was the name. I didn't get to read it in time. Thank you for subscribing, my friend. XRP is $2.12, down 4.2%. We're trying to approach our golden zone right here, and we had some wick highs there not too long ago. $2.75 is the golden zone. All-time high is not too far, $3.50-something. Pulling back just a little bit, that's normal. $1.83 is your bearish scenario. That's what we're looking at. Also, please look in the chat right now if you're in the chat. Alexandra G did put a link to the Piper Academy YouTube channel. Please make sure you guys are hitting that like and subscribing on whatever videos you want to like from them. Please make sure you like their videos. Please make sure you subscribe to their channel. And I thank them very much for always rating in here. It means a lot to me. Shout out to the XRP. Shout out to 3 Diggies. All right, ICP was a request. We're going to go to that. Let's drag this line over. I don't know why that's so short. Where did you go? Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Cotton Eye Joe. Do, 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 do. All right. Over here, we have ICP. That is at $11.75, down 1.62%. We do have the 200-day SMA not too far away at $9. And if we fall below the $10 mark, it is a major psychological level that will break hearts indeed. So let's hope we could create some support at $10 when we've had a lot of selling pressure there in the past. Your bullish scenario ultimately is that $15. Dogecoin we're going to talk about too, of course. We can't not talk about Doge. Hold on. Doge is 38 cents. We really have that psychological level of 50 cents. That's our bullish scenario. Your bearish scenario right now is over here at 34 cents. Those are the levels to watch for Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Holy Shoes, nice to see you. Giorgio, nice to see you. Can I look at Litecoin? Yeah, I always look at Litecoin at the beginning of the show, but I'll do it again. Bullish Bradley, nice to see you in the chat. Bullish Bradley's always hype. He's always hype. We have a $107 Litecoin. Of course, we have that selling pressure here at 112. We even had that 115 wick high in July that we were looking to get past, and we did for a little bit. Your ultimate bullish scenario is at 142. Your bearish scenario right now is $100. We don't want to fall below $100. Strews, thank you for becoming a member. Shout out to you. Shout out to Mexar, too. Guys, if you are new to the channel, you got to let me know so I can give you an appropriate amount of love. We all want to say hello to you. We all want to give you love, right, Memory Man? Right, Panic? Nice to see you. Welcome. Welcome. Let's see. Crypto Coin Mindset, nice to see you. Welcome to the show. Who else is here? Welcome, everybody. Giorgio, thank you for subscribing. My friends. Guys, 2 more until we hit our goal. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. 2 more. Right, Richard's brother. Nice to see ya. Welcome. Do we have any other chartering requests? Holy Shoe says, hi, Randy. Happy to see you as always, even when the market looks red. Listen, it's not that depressing, man. It's really not that depressing. Guys, 1 more subscriber. Well, we did it. We did it. Oh. You got to bump it up. Yay! Guys, we just pamped. We pamped subscribery. And guys, don't forget, we're live at 3:45 p.m. Eastern. 3:45 today on Newsmax. So please make sure you guys are pamping Newsmax. Go to Newsmax. Post pictures of your TV screens and tag me because we want people to know that we are taking over Newsmax and everyone wants to watch. Let's pamp it. Pamp Newsmax. BC, a member for 7 months. Some Microsoft holders vote on holding Bitcoin in 1 hour. That's awesome. Let's keep an eye on that. We'll report it on tomorrow's show. We got Brian Oakes. Thank you for becoming a member. Shout out to Brian. Shout out to Brian. Shout out to Brian. Okay. Superverse. We could go over Superverse because Bobby is a beautiful member of this channel. Hold on. Hold up. Okay. Levels to watch on Superverse. It's $1.92, down 4.4%. You're kind of in price discovery mode. We had that crazy wick high of $3.97, but I don't know. I would count price discovery mode at around $2. Your bullish scenario is $2, which is a psychological level, and your bearish level to watch is $1.68. That's really all I got for you because we have these wicks that it doesn't really indicate much to me other than there was an extreme pump. XRP, I just did squawkers. I just did that. If you could rewind, that would be awesome. What time is it? We got a few minutes left. Let's see. What other requests do we have that I didn't do yet? I think we could do Ondo. I saw Ondo getting requested. Hold on. So Ondo, we haven't looked at in a minute, but we do have some of our scenarios playing out. According to Coinbase, we did hit all-time highs, if this is the correct chart with all the data involved. The previous high that we were looking at was around right here at $1.48. Now our new high, according to this chart, is $1.95, just short of $2. So that's your bullish scenario is $2 or $1.95. Your bearish is to hold support at $1.44. Even more bearish is where we previously held support, which is 98 cents. And if you fall below the dollar, people are going to lose their noodles. Also, DigiByte has been having a few days. It's been having a day. Hopefully she's in her heyday yet again. I love DigiByte. I think DigiByte's inevitable in terms of money. And we are at just over a penny and a quarter, 0.0138 cents, down 6.67. Wait, hold on. Words, 6.73%. We're looking at the bullish scenario of 2.5 cents. Right now, we will want to have our bullish scenario of 0.017. But your bearish right now, where we've had selling pressure in the past, is 0.0123 cents. I want to hold a penny DigiByte. A penny DigiByte is where my heart's warm and fluffy. Even 2-cent DigiByte, my heart's very warm and fluffy. But I love DigiByte. Yes, and we do have the 500 stream coming up. I believe this is 495. This is episode number 495. If that's correct, I think it's 495. We should have episode 500 by Tuesday. So I'm very excited. Yay! Guys, please make sure you're subscribing to the channel. You want to be here for episode number 500. Yes, 500 episodes, because we're crazy and we love this podcast. And we have so many subscribers coming in. So please make sure you're continuing to subscribe to the channel. This crypto market makes me feel 500 years old. Listen, it's a lot. It's a lot. But time flies when you're in crypto and you're on the blockchain, my friends. Bitcoin, 96,520 bucks. We're still in range. 91K is the bottom of our little range over here. Top of our range is 98K. I think we're doing fine, guys. This is okay. DigiByte was a nickel when I gave some to family members. Listen, DigiByte has definitely had a pullback. It's definitely had a pullback. But in terms of, I don't talk about it in terms of price action. I talk about it in even Litecoin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, DigiByte, Doge. I think it's for the sake of the technologies, I think it's inevitable. In terms of what are you going to use for money? Bitcoin's your store of value. Litecoin's great for transactions. It's probably the most liquid coin in the game. It's definitely the #1 payments token or coin that's out there. Liberty, you haven't subscribed yet? You've been a part of this fam for a while. Liberty. You know that jingle from Liberty Mutual? Not sponsored. But yeah, I definitely am bullish on things that I believe could be used as currency, which is Litecoin with a block time of 2.5 minutes. You have DigiByte that has a block time of 15 seconds. So DigiByte, I would be very bullish on in terms of money, transactions, going to the coffee shop, going bing, and there you go, your money's sent. So I'm very, very bullish on DigiByte. Very bullish on DigiByte in terms of money. If you're scared, imagine 20 to 40% pullbacks. Listen, I think pullbacks are great. We should have pullbacks. I would never be scared of a pullback. Never. True said we're pretty much family. Of course we're family. Duh. I love this fam. This is a family, no doubt. This is a family, no doubt. And I'm very bullish on everybody in this chat because we're all here together. This has been a journey. Oh, also Pepe. Oh, I almost forgot about Pepe. Oh gosh, Pepe. Pepe's pulling back about 11.5%. But I wouldn't be mad because she's still in price discovery. Pepe's mooning right now. Pepe is insane. Absolutely insane. Up 1,300%, 1,357% to be exact in the past year. Pepe's a monster. Pepe's a monster. Your bear scenario is 1668. That's your bear scenario for Pepe. Pepe's a beast. I love this movement. It was such a meme. The Pepe meme has always been around, and I remember that my boy David Goldstein was really pioneering Pepe, and everyone was giving him such hate. They were like, "Oh my gosh, Pepe this, Pepe that," but David was like, "Nah, Pepe's the wave," and boy was he right about that. Boy was he right. Shout out to David Goldstein because he really called that. He really called Pepe. You got to give him credit. But Pepe was zesty indeed. Pepe was zesty. Randy A is in the chat. Double O says he loves the zesty fam. Oh yeah. True said the Hippers have helped me begin my day for quite a while. Much, much, much love. Well, much love to you. Oh my gosh, I feel such love in my heart today, man. Yeah, I love the zesty fam. Oh, hold up. TikTok, don't take me out, man. Don't take me out, me. Golden! Golden! Golden. Golden giving 50 membershiperies. Hopefully Emma gets one. If Emma doesn't get one of these 50, I'm literally going to sit back and watch. I'm going to sit back and watch. If Emma does not get one of these 50 memberships, there's going to be war freaking waged on YouTube. Golden, shout out to you, my friend. Thank you so much. Golden is here, raining upon the chat. Guys, please put rain emojis. Please put rain emojis. Guys, Emma's birthday is on Saturday. We're going to do a birthday celebration for her on Friday. But she needs her emojis. If she doesn't have emojis for her birthday, Emma's definitely going to be upset about it. She's definitely going to be upset. Let's see. Let's watch in the chat. Yankee got one. Oh, Emma's calling it. Emma, don't say it's rigged yet. You didn't get it. It's not finished. It's not finished. Hold on. Take a sip of water, friends. If Emma doesn't get this membership, there's going to be a problem. This could be bullish. Kelly Kellum got one. Shout out to Kelly Kellum. I haven't spoken to him in a minute. Shout out to him. He's a good dude. Emma, get your membership. Emma, get your membership. Oh, she didn't get one. Oh, she's so upset. She's so upset. Guys, please put Emma emojis in her honor. Put Emma emojis in her honor. Oh, some of them are still getting given out. Anthony Paldino. Oh, Golden, another 50. Holy wow. Holy wow. Ooh. Ooh. And Andy goes, we don't want mad Emma. No, Emma gets triggered by this. Emma gets very triggered when she does not get her emojis. It's her birthday on Saturday. If she doesn't have emojis for her birthday, you know how upset she's going to be? And we already have to feed her. We already have to feed her, but that's not going to be enough for her. It's not. It's not going to be enough. The food is not going to be enough. It's really the membershipery that she needs. Golden said he's doing it for Emma. Oh. Yeah, Emma needs her emojis. Emma needs her emojis. She is triggered. It's okay, Em. You're going to make it, fam. You're going to make it. Guys, I'm going to be on Newsmax at 3:45 today. Who's bullish on Newsmax? I'm bullish. Giorgio said, what's this dip for ants? Exactly. Guys, like, people are upset right now about Bitcoin. Like, why are you upset? Like, don't be a weenie. Like, this is not anything to worry about. We hit $104,000. We're at 96K. Are you upset? Like, you can't be. That's just being greedy. That's just being greedy. Guys, 4 more likes till 150. You guys got to pamp it. 4 more likes. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ray K is in the chat. Ray K, my friend, how are you? How are you? Also, let's keep subscribing to the channel. We really want 20,000 subscribers. We really want 20,000 subscribers on the channel. I think we can do it. We have 8 more till 17,730. Memoir. Is that the name that I see? I can't read it. Hold on. Oh, memoir. Got it. I can't even, like, the TikTok font is like this big. It's too small. It's too small. I can't even read it. Let's see. Patrick Murphy, a member for 14 months. Get wrecked, Emma. Oh my God. He is literally roasting this kid. I know, Emma. It's okay. She's upset. But it's going to be all right. I'm telling you, it's going to be okay. We're going to make it, Em. We're going to make it. YouTube TV finally carries Newsmax. Oh, shoot. That must be new. That must be new. But yeah, I think you guys should definitely tune into Newsmax today. Tune into Newsmax, 3:45 p.m. Oh, Golden said he's been dealing with a family medical emergency, so he's been busy. Guys, everyone in the chat right now, right this second, has to put heart emojis for Golden. All the love for Golden. I hope everything's... So obviously, it's not okay, but, like, I hope everything's okay. You know? Sending love over to you, Golden. Huggies, and hearties for you. Oh, poor Golden. I hope everything's all right with your family member. I hope they get better soon. We did get over 150 likes. That's beautiful, guys. Let's keep getting it. Please put Emma emojis in her honor since she cannot get emojis for the poor life of her. This poor kid cannot get emojis, even though Golden reigned 100. And then we had more emoji rain by Alexandra G, Mike Volmer, Michael Cartwright. Did I miss anybody? They reigned membershippery. I think I got everyone. All right, friends. Ray K, she does allow gifts. It just takes her forever to get her emojis back. I don't know why. It's so weird. But everyone give love to Golden. Put heart emojis and Emma emojis in Golden's honor. He is a great dude. Golden is a great person and a huge supporter of the channel. And we're so grateful for him and everything he's done for us. So thank you, Golden. Shout out to Golden. Marks, nice to see you, my friend. Welcome. Diggy said, L Emma. Diggies. Golden squared in the chat with 50 memberships. Yay! Shout out to Golden. Golden, you're going through so much, but you still make time for us, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I hope Emma gets these memberships, man. I hope Emma gets the memberships. It's like actually a running joke that literally only Golden is the one that could give Emma the memberships. Like it literally never works unless Golden does it. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Golden said thank you, everyone. Yeah, everyone rain those hearts on Golden because Golden is such a great person and he really helps everybody out. Not just this channel, he helps so many other people too. That is so awesome. Shout out to Golden for 50 memberships. That is absolutely insane. We're all grateful for Golden. Taco got a little membership over there. Shout out to Taco. I hope he comes back to the channel soon. He's in school. He's a youngin. He has to go to school. But I hope Emma gets this membership, man. She's losing faith. Emma, don't lose faith. See, that's like that negative energy. You can't give into negative energy. Mr. Toasty, who said, what is this membership thing? Press allow gift, and you could, if you get a membership, then you could rain emojis in the chat. We have special emojis on the channel, like Emma emojis, my dad's emoji, my emoji, Donnie T emoji, Elon Musk emoji, Gary Gensler emoji, Liz Warren emoji. Oh, Oval got a membership. We miss Oval every single day on this channel. I think about Oval all the time. I hope Oval's doing good up there. Shout out to Oval. Everyone, in honor of Oval, can you please put Delulu emojis in the chat? We miss him so much. I'm going to cry. I'm literally, like, every time I think about him, I get emotional. I think about him a lot. Shout out to Oval in the chat. Guys, please, he's not in the chat anymore, but, he did get a membership thanks to Golden. So please put Delulu emojis. Oval's gonna live forever, man. His honor, everything he's done for this space is just revolutionary, and he was so smart, and we miss him so much. We miss Oval every single day. Every time I go in Discord, I think of Oval every single time, which is multiple times a day. So I miss Oval so much. Please put Delulu emojis in honor of Oval. Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna cry over him. My gosh. But thank you, Golden, for all these membershipperies. For all the membershippery. All right, Emma's getting her laptop out. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. I'm literally crying again on stream. We miss Oval so much. And also, yeah, just everything we're doing, especially all the mining and all that stuff. Like, every time I talk about Bitcoin mining, anything related to that, I always think about him. Alexandra G put oval emojis, the Delulu emoji in honor of him. Oval is gone. Oval's been gone for a long time now. Almost a year. So we miss him every single day. We do. I need a sip of water. Hold on. Poor dude. But yeah, he did. So everyone put Delulu emojis in honor of him. We miss him so much. But yeah, we're getting after it, my friends. We're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a very good day, especially because we have so much love. We have so much love in our hearts. We do, and I know he did as well. This is a revolution we're a part of, and there's so many people like him that really helped this revolution so much. Like Bitcoin miners, we wouldn't be where we are without them, especially people like him that really take all these live streams and help so many people with their mining journey. And that's what's so important, man. That's what's important. Golden is asking Emma if she's ready. What are we doing now? He was dope. He was absolutely dope. Absolutely. Guys, Emma's laptop is out. She needs her Delulu emojis back. She needs her Delulus. She needs her own emoji. Everyone rating Delulus and Emmas. And Bitcoin miners. That emoji was added for him. And the Delulus was added for him. Let's get it. Let's get it, friends. Let's get it. Golden with 50 memberships again. Freaking sheesh, man. Freaking sheesh. Like when Lisa got one. Shout out to Lisa. She's awesome. We love Lisa. Guys, please make sure you guys are accepting that or pressing the allow gift button. Sorry, I'm a little emotional. Press the allow gift button and get after it, my friends. Hopefully Emma gets one. We're watching this right now. Also, smash a like, subscribe to the channel, share it. And we have some subscribers coming in. Shout out to all the subscribers. Shout out to all the new friends. Diggy's with a $10 super chat. He said, Emma, you're a huckster. That's so funny. Emma's saying it's rigged. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know why YouTube is so mean. But we still have a few days before your birthday, so hopefully Emma could get her emojis before her birthday on Saturday. Again, remember, guys, Friday is going to be the Emma Emma birthday celebration. Emma's going to have a birthday celebration. Should we do the birthday stream? Emma, you're not going to do it? What are you talking about? There are 132 here. 200 memberships. I got none. Holy shoes. Did you press the allow gift button, my friend? Do you have it turned on? Golden said, I'm determined now. Oh boy. If Golden's determined, then it's game over. Oh boy. Well, I'm looking at the chat. Emma said, do I get cake? Do you want cake? Duh. Do you want cake? Oh boy. Golden's getting after it, guys. Please put rain emojis. Put rain emojis in the chat. Let's get all the emojis everywhere. Let's get it. For my frizzy hair. Emma birthday stream. Yeah, I think we should do one. We should. Raving Emma on Friday. I mean, she should, right? Hillbilly City, she should. She definitely should. If she doesn't rave, I think that's lame. Guys, please smash the likes and remember that we're going to be on Newsmax today, 3:45 p.m. Eastern. Coins Chick with 1 membership. Pamp it. Pamp it. Shout out to Coins Chick. Thank you. Thank you. Shout out to Coins Chick. Coins Chick is awesome. She's the best. She's the absolute best. Wow. We have so much membership reflying in here. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for all the gifting and the love for Emma trying to get this kid some emojis. But we have time. We have time. Her birthday's on Friday, so we can keep trying until then. Diggy's is causing trouble over there. But yeah, I think we should do a birthday stream for her on Friday. Right, Raul? Right, Raul. Alex O, Otter Gang. Shout out to Alex. Papa O is in the chat. Shout out to Papa O. We love Papa O. Papa O Crypto. And then Anthony Paldino, Papa Paldino too. We have Papa Paldino. We have a lot of papas in the chat with a lot of new babies. We love the babies. We love the next generation. We're raising the next generation of Bitcoiners, my friends. The next generation. We love raising babies. We love the babies. We love babies. Wee. Oh my gosh. Golden cubed. There's Golden 3. Rating 50 memberships. Oh my word. Oh my word. I cannot believe this. I think YouTube's glitching. It didn't give out the memberships. What is going on? Yeah, I didn't know there was a Golden Cubed either. There's a third Golden. Oh my gosh, they literally didn't issue the 50 memberships. Golden needs a refund. See, that's ridiculous. That's the second time that's happened. Wow, that is so lame. Wow, that's crazy. That's wild. Shout out to Alan Man in the chat. Wow. YouTube, man, messing around. YouTube just rugged us for real, Golden Cubed. That's nuts. Well, we're gonna see. I think it's gonna be okay. I think Golden should get his refund though. He should get his refund on that. They rugged on Coins Chick too. Are you sure? Did they rug on hers too? Yeah, I think that's messed up. I think that's pretty wrong. It's over. Sorry, Emma. It's okay. Well, that was a lot to begin with. But thank you guys so much for being here today. We do have Newsmax at 3:45 p.m. Eastern today. So please make sure you guys are there, right? Orlando, Ray K. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We're going to get after it, though. We're going to have a beautiful day today. Pop off on Newsmax, my friends. Please be there. Be square. We're going to get after it. Have a beautiful day, my friends. Yeah, you're going to file for a refund. You definitely should. But thank you guys so much. Thank you to everybody that liked, subscribed, share, and got after it with us today. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And if you haven't yet, again, you better hit these buttons. Tap and boop these buttons. I'll see you guys at 3:45 p.m. Eastern. Have a beautiful day, my friends. And as always, stay zesty. Thank you guys so much. Shout out to Golden. Mwah. And Diggies and everybody that ran memberships and supported the channel today. Yay, thank you. Alexandra G, Mike Wilmer, Marco Cartwright, Strews, BC, Brian Oakes, Patrick Murphy, Quinch Chick, Golden, everyone that's liking, viewing, subscribing, commenting. Doesn't matter what you do, I enjoy you. Mwah. Have a great day. Peace.